All right, let's put this, install this. Oop, hold on. There we go. Going to agree. Hold on. Okay, there we go. We got 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Look at that. 6 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, now this is where it's taking a good chunk of time because it's plugged up and we're on Wi-Fi because I took it out of 5G. So this right here is going to take you a good minute. Preparing update for iOS 15. So this is where it's going to take a good minute. You got to wait for. Again, this is where your big time chunk of time will be, is to waiting for it to prepare to update. This took at least 10, 15, close to 20 minutes, depending on what you, because like I said, I'm on Wi-Fi and I have it plugged up. So this is where your big chunk of time is going to take to do this. It's right here. All right, there it is. Now it says install. Let's install it. Installing. Verifying update. I'm using my LG camera phone. It's a G6. Because you know what, I should. No, I shouldn't. Because I was about to say, no, I couldn't be say. I was about to say use the other iPhone, but that other iPhone doesn't have a pause. Okay, there it is. It's booting back up. Now let's see how long it's gonna take. We ain't gonna really sit here and watch it dig down, but let's see. See, it's rebooting. Taking a big minute. Yeah, it's gonna take a big minute there. Yep, it's gonna take a minute. Okay, now reboot it. Damn, it was quick too. So there's coming back on. Now I'm gonna do another video. So I want y'all. I don't know how long it's gonna take because I gotta first see what happened with this one. But I got the iPhone 6. We're gonna see if the iPhone 6s Plus will get this update and how long that's gonna take. That's gonna take a good minute. I don't know if it's any room on that phone to put the iOS 15 on there, but we're gonna do that in another video. Okay, this part gonna take a minute. There it goes. It's booting back up. Look at it's saying different languages. Okay, hold on. Okay, software update. And push continue. No, I don't use the face. I don't use that. Set up later. I don't use that. See, it's like it reboots the whole phone. Welcome to iPhone. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Let me see this one. Yeah, I gotta fix that. I forgot how they told me to fix that. Where you can you do that oops. Where you swipe this. What's that? Oh, settings. Oh, let me go to settings. See, is it completely done? Yep. iOS 15. Let me check. I want to check the camera. See if anything's done anything to this camera. Oh, because I thought we would get cinematic, but we don't. Portrait. Okay. Nope. I gotta figure this out. Yeah, I gotta figure this out. Let me check my watch. Does the watch have to be updated? Must don't. So that's it. That's just to show you how long it takes to upload this. Y'all know the story why that picture's on there. That's my mom's that I miss. So that's it.